Caroline Grace. Alright, that was a little too noisy for me. Caroline Grace in Shenandoah Valley. There are very high winds right now. Traffic is coming by. I'm going to start over again. Now there's no traffic. It's Caroline Grace Temmerman in the Shenandoah Valley coming home from my Thanksgiving holiday with my family. I decided to get off the highway and take a look at the local scene. I wanted to show you an incredibly fabulous place. Obviously, there's heavy winds right now. I hope it doesn't affect the microphone. So I'm going to show you these beautiful mountains. Beautiful scenery that I'm looking at. I'm about a mile from the Shenandoah Regional Airport. If you look down the road, you can see a white horse grazing out there just to the right of the road. Trying to hold this camera steady in the high winds. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful view of the Shenandoah Valley. Again, Caroline Grace reporting live.